Lord, for giving to me thy great salvation so rich and free. Some take him for the flowers that grow, some for the stars that shine. My Lord is here with joy and praise, because I know He's mine. Thank you, Lord, for saving my soul. Thank you, Lord,